Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to play Spotify on different devices at the same time. So let's get started. Start by opening Spotify on your device. Choose the song or podcast you want to share and play it. Once it's playing, expand the playback screen by tapping on it to reveal the full interface with the song's details, such as the title, artist, and lyrics. In the bottom left corner of the screen, you will notice an icon that looks like a soundbar next to a monitor. Tap on this icon to open the device connection options. On the new screen, look for the Start a Jam option and select it. After starting the group session, you will be prompted to invite others. Click on Invite Friends, and you will see several options for sharing the group link. You can copy the link to share it manually or send it directly through apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, or any other messaging platform. Copying the link is usually the simplest method. Once your friends join the session using the shared link, everyone in the group can listen to music or podcasts together in real time. The same track will play across all connected devices, creating a synchronized listening experience. Each participant can also control playback, such as skipping tracks or adjusting the volume. This feature is a convenient way to enjoy Spotify with friends on different devices simultaneously. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching.